to the Junk Shack, baby. My name is Kathy, and today's video is going to be a before and after of a home we bought about 5 years ago. Worked on it off and on for 4 years and moved into it last year. Finished up a whole bunch of the projects, and I had all of my information, my pictures and videos all over the place, and this is what I was able to gather up, and I really wanted this video mostly to document the befores and afters of this place we finally called the mansion, because it's massive. It's a huge old house. We bought it off of some kids that had done a whole bunch of work. They'd gutted almost every room, rewired a whole bunch of stuff. Drywall was up in the whole place, but most of it hadn't been mud or taped. So that was one of the first things we did when we got the place, got all the drywall finished up, full of wood floors upstairs. Downstairs was plywood floors. I painted the wood floors upstairs, you'll see in this video. We touched every single room and painted our butts off. There was so much painting to be done. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this before and after. I'm not gonna talk a whole lot through it unless I think you need some explanation. But again, I forgot to say this, I really want to put this out there so that I can begin to post about my new endeavor, which is we bought a house. We're about to move again, which will be 6 times in 6 years. Some kind of crazy, but we're never moving again. After this move, this is my forever home. It's gorgeous. After this, I'm never moving again. I don't think I'll even mention the word moving. Okay, hope you enjoy. I painted every other stair so that I could get up to bed at night. Installed new flooring throughout the entire house, except for the bedrooms. Removing that counter opened the kitchen into the dining room big time. I apologize for the quality of a couple of these pictures, but I really wanted this documented. Still amazed at what a can of paint will do. We installed new lighting throughout the entire home. The flooring turned out gorgeous everywhere we put it. I added a little video of this guy pulling this shed off of this truck because it was just so cool. You can see he has another shed to deliver after ours. They really can maneuver these things. They can go around homes, around trees. The little machine lifts it up and steers it. He's holding a remote control, and he just rotates the tires from front to back. It's a really neat process. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm glad you stuck around this long. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. I'd love to know what you thought.